Welcome. In front of me I have the iPhone 17 and today I'll be showing you how you can boot this device into recovery mode. So, if you're using a Mac, all you need to do is plug in your device and open up your Finder, and it will show up on the sidebar the name of your iPhone. You can click on it and just stay there. Now on Windows side, which is what I'm going to be using, we need to navigate to our favorite place where we get our applications on Windows. And no, that's apparently not Steam or web browser, it's the Microsoft Store. And that's really the only place you can download this crap from. So search for Apple devices and it will show up with this garbage. Amazing rating right here of 2.1 stars, even worse than iTunes used to be. And if you're wondering why we're not using iTunes, it's because that's the new version of iTunes. And it's not even the whole thing, it's separated into also Apple Music because... Huh? Microsoft Store Awards 2024 Music category. Are you high? Have you been snorting something, Microsoft? Wow! There are much better options for listening to music than this garbage. Anyway, so we'll need this crap right here. Amazing ratings, obviously, just if you use this for prolonged periods of time, you're gonna find problems. I already did in a single day. So we get to use this. And that's about all we need. Now, like I mentioned, iTunes used to be the go place for anything that is associated with computer and iPhones, but this is basically the replacement now. This you can still download and use, but it won't work with your new iPhone. So yeah, get this. If you want to also sync music to it, you also need this. Other than that, only this. Let's go. So we're gonna open it up, which I already have it downloaded. Your phone will show up on the sidebar, and that's where you want to keep it, which is the same page, this one, like you have on MacBook. So now to put the device into recovery mode, when I obviously have it plugged in, you're gonna press volume up, volume down, and then hold the power button. And you want to hold it for as long as it takes to enter the recovery mode. So the device will turn off. Then it's gonna start turning back on with the Apple logo, and after that we're gonna get this little cable icon with a laptop. That's our recovery mode. We can let go and wait for the Apple devices to catch up to this. Come on, there we go. Now it also tells me that there is a problem with your iPhone. No, there isn't. Again, amazing software. At least it can define what the DFU and recovery mode now is. So there are some progresses made in 17 years. But that's about it. Now, you can see it tells us that it's in recovery mode right now. We can update our device or restore iPhone. Now, don't get your nipples twisted right here. This isn't actually a restore. This is a reset. You might be confused by the name, but I'm sure Tim Cook is confused because by this definition, it looks like he's just senile at this point. It's not a restore. Restore would imply that you can restore data to it. Here you're just removing it. So be very wary of that. So that's about everything that there is to the recovery mode. Now if you're not doing anything with it in here, you can leave it by just, again, holding the same button. So volume up, volume down, and hold power button. This will reboot the device. So when it turns off the screen, you can let go. And it's gonna automatically turn back on and enter the normal iOS system. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.